In the summer, high school students, they fall back over the months that they're not going to school.
When they're not engaged during the summertime, and they could wind up in places they shouldn't be, doing things they shouldn't be, or they could just wind up just being sedentary, sitting around the house playing video games all day.
In a city like Baltimore, your zip code has a greater influence on your health than your genetic code does.
And they're generally coming from disadvantaged areas.
They're facing a number of challenges in their day-to-day life when it comes to being healthy. From living in food deserts, where access to healthy food just isn't there, to a built environment that's not conducive to physical activity, to violence in their neighborhoods.
And so we said, well, why don't we see if we can put together a program, one that brings in food and growing of food, agriculture, teach people about nutrition, teach about life skills.
Mission Thrive Summer is a 5-week summer engagement program for Baltimore City high school students.
The mission of the Institute for Integrative Health is to catalyze new ideas in healthcare and to better understand and promote health and well-being across the lifespan for individuals and for communities. We do a lot with healthy foods and nutrition. We were able to connect with a local organization, Real Food Farms, who have a 7-acre farm in an urban area here in Baltimore. They can actually learn about growing food.
We wanted to make it more holistic, so we brought in things like the nutrition and cooking piece, where students actually got to practice cooking and learning about nutrition and applying those skills and that education to make food for themselves.
Mission Thrive is more than just cooking and gardening. Like, you can learn so much.
It teaches us like stuff of becoming an adult, and I started trying different stuff that I normally wouldn't do.
You learn how to do so much stuff that you really never thought you could do.
And they also get job skills training, learning things like financial literacy. They learn about their personal strengths and how they can apply those outside of the program, so as they move on back to school and in their community, they can apply these strengths to support anything that they have to do. So bringing in those other components that are going to encourage the student to not only think about the food system and how they fit in it, but think about themselves and how they fit in the world.
I think it has a big effect on the family because it may not be what's happening at home. And now they come in and they're talking about it and they're maybe wanting to do this, and some are very open in the families to let's try that and let's do this together, which is, you know, a real plus. Our hope is that these are sort of lifelong skills that they're learning and then can be a model for others in their area.
We think this program was groundbreaking. It was the first program of this nature where outcomes had been collected in a rigorous, IRB-approved manner and published in a peer-reviewed journal. This isn't just an academic exercise, it's to set a blueprint for health, which is one of the Institute for Integrative Health's goals.
Everybody stand up. I need everybody to join the circle.
We've had a lot of new experiences. We've met a lot of new people. We're going to take these experiences with us forever. Mission Thrive Summer has taught me that there's hope. We put so much attention into highlighting what we don't have or what people shouldn't be doing, but we rarely get to see just young people thriving. And that's exactly what this program is about, ensuring that these young people can thrive.
My favorite part is being able to open up and communicate with others and being able to learn some new things in the kitchen. And I like how every time we come together, we always have deep conversations and we talk about what we learn, and I enjoy it. This is going to help me in the future for when I'm older. I can learn how to cook for my family. I am excited for what is to come.
To see her making these healthy decisions, and that's all springing from this program, is really important. It makes me see that her coming here every day is really paying off.
Dominic is more responsible. I don't have to wake him up for work. He automatically gets up and gets himself out.
I noticed that Rodney is more proactive at home in terms of cooking. He's become more sociable and open to meeting new people and trying new things.
This is a great starting point for her, actually, and I am very proud of her, and I'm glad she chose to do this program.
I'm proud of the group that we've assembled and the spirit they have of really wanting to make a big impact here in Baltimore as a model, but that can be then transferred to other parts of the country and the world.